Once upon a time, there was a boy named Sam, who was born into a poor family. Sam's parents worked hard, but they struggled to make ends meet. Sam grew up in a small house in a poor neighborhood. His family didn't have enough money to buy him toys or nice clothes. Sam often went to school with holes in his shoes and clothes that were too small. Despite his family's financial difficulties, Sam was a bright and curious child. He loved to read and learn new things. However, he often felt left out because he couldn't afford to participate in school activities or go on field trips. As Sam grew older, he faced more challenges. His parents had to work longer hours to provide for the family, which meant they had less time to spend with Sam. Sam often felt lonely and isolated, and he struggled in school as a result. But Sam didn't give up. He worked hard and studied every night. He spent hours at the library, soaking up knowledge from books. He knew that education was his way out of poverty, and he was determined to succeed. Years passed, and Sam graduated from high school with honors. He earned a scholarship to a prestigious university, where he excelled in his studies. Sam went on to graduate school and earned a degree in engineering. Today, Sam is a successful engineer, with a good job and a comfortable life. He never forgets the struggles and hardships he faced as a child. But he is grateful for the opportunities that education gave him. Sam is happy and fulfilled, knowing that he worked hard to create a better life for himself and his family.